Every car! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at the 400 RC Raceway again. This time they're running their 400 Fall Classic. That's not what this video is. This is the end of the night of the Friday practice day. I just ran out one of my buggies on that 8-scale track. But tonight, for the entertainment, they're running a team/enduro. 3 drivers. I think there's 5 or 6 slashes. I am not driving in it, but I will try and record it. Probably the start and the finish. It's 30 minutes. I guess it's the most laps you can do in 30 minutes. 3 drivers. These are basic slash 2-wheel drive, high center of gravity chassis. Or the basic slash 2-wheel drive from when they were brushed, I believe. They're not even the BL2S ones. They're brushed. Anyway, so we'll go into the dome and we'll show you a slash enduro. Here, we'll go in the back door, see if anything's going on in here yet. Nothing. I think they're going to be a little late getting started. They're supposed to start at 8. It currently is 7:58. So I don't think they're going to be started at 8, but this will be the layout. I'm not sure where I'm going to stand to get a good view of it, because the driver stand is long. Maybe I will be able to stand on the edge here. But it's low. It's long, but it's low. So yeah, I guess I can just stand here and track some cars. Yeah, that works.
Okay, number 10. John. You have a number? Pick a number in your head, keep it in your head. 1 and 10? Yeah. Okay, Jared. Justin.
Well, these are the BL2S brushless ones, so they're the clipless bodies.
Truck. Battery. First battery. Nope, they have to put it in themselves. Here's the second battery.
So the teams right now are getting acclimated with their trucks, figuring out how to get the bodies on and off, how you get the batteries in and out, the clipless bodies, and the Traxxas TRX ID connectors. Everything is kind of factory on these, so we'll see how they perform.
They still do it.
Oh, something was loose. Last minute repairs. They are brushed, which is, I didn't know they came out clipless bodies still with the brush motors. So let's get all of it. All right, drivers are on the stand, batteries are going in. You're on teams of 3, 2 are going to stay down, 1 is going to stay up. Here's some of the drivers here. Jared's going to be on first driver on your team. What's your team name? They are having to put them in the race mode, so there is no reverse, just forward brake. I was awfully nervous to race a slash. They get no practice. They're starting live, and we'll see the chaos. All right, they're getting gridded up. Motocross start, maybe side by side. Yep.
All right, all the big guys behind the wall, safety first. So this is a 30-minute contest. Every 10 minutes change drivers, hit to change drivers, change a battery, and one of the driver changes. Rotate around, no fighting, no kicking, no spitting, no punching. Talking to you there, Carolyn. All right, we're going to start this race in less than 5. Bring it back, false start.
Wow, that was a horrendously bad false start. One of the worst I've ever seen. Wow. There's been too much drinking going on.
This is good. We gotta get all these bugs down before tomorrow. Are you guys ready? Drivers ready? Marshall's ready, starting in less than 3.
Oh.
Oh boy. Never even made the first corner.
Oh, the leader. Wow, where's the rest of them?
It looks like Steve Pinion takes out the lead from the start.
Where's the rest?
Yeah, starting our race director. Close to second, Team Rod, third,
Oh.
MRG
chassis slap off that. Most of them are doing that and then crashing right there. Wow.
It's better not to try and double in and just.
Yeah. Yeah, if you make the jump, then you end up crashing from the slap. Holy. This is just chaos. It's very, I mean, without knowing what color's what team, it's already all mixed up already on who's in first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I have no idea. Oh, almost caught. 28 minutes left. Rough. Now they're finally getting the hang of it. Blue truck just pulled over already. Going very slow. Something's wrong with that blue truck. The blue truck just dumped its power 5 minutes in. Oh man. All right, coming up on the first 10 minutes, first driver change. On this lap, they gotta start swapping. Good job, good job, good job. That's all the first driver, that's 3 of the first drivers coming off. Here come the other 2. So now drivers become marshals, marshals become pitman, pitman become drivers. And some of them are choosing to do a battery change in the first 10 minutes and others are not. So it's your choice. You have to do one, you're only allowed one battery change in the full 30 minutes. Is that his own team? I think it was. Brutal. Oh.
Just trying to block the view here.
All right, move up into the #1 spot.
Two-wheel drive, they can't. They're not on a four-wheel, they can't get themselves off the pipe on their own. The double single's safe, but a lot of them are still trying to triple, and the triple will get you on a real bad kicker. We'll see if Green tries to triple. Nope, double single. There you go, almost got him. We just had 2 really good slaps there and rollovers that I missed. There you go. Oh, yeah. Just not. No man's land. Slap, crash, every time. If you try and go for the triple. Coming up for the last pit. All these cars going to do their last pit.
Mechanics to drivers. Walk, don't run, walk. Nice orderly caution, Carter. Walk in. tripping on my watch. Have they all been changed? Have they all been changed, the batteries? Have all the batteries been changed?
Let's go, Matt. Wheel it.
First out the gate, first to crash. Alright, well, they're on the last 10 minutes now. I'll call out in the end. What happened?
Take the red car.
Now that's triple mark.
I get it.
Rod on the 1, heading into the 2, emerging into 3, honor in the 4, chaos in the 5.
Alright, last 2 minutes.
Remaining.
The peanut gallery's been chanting out triple, triple, which is pretty funny because every time someone tries, they slap and crash hard. Every car crashed in the straight. That's great. With a minute left, every car. Wow.
Coming up to the 1 minute mark here, down to, we're really tight with Team Otter, Team Mindy, and Team MRG now. MRG is back up in the 4th spot. They have to look at it. Now up into the 4th spot between them and Mayako in the battle. 30 seconds remaining, 2 laps at home. Otter, MRG up to the 3, Mayako and Indian is the 5. Less than 10 seconds left. It'll be a race to the line.
One more lap, man. One more lap. Let's go.
Race is over. Keep going. Keep going. Race to the line. Race to the line.
One more.
All right, the race is over. One quarter. Team Raw Dog with the 1. Team Otter. Number 2. Mayako. Mayako in the 3. MRG in the 4. Minions in the 5.
Alright.
Thank you, everybody. Hey, before everybody leaves, let's get a picture of the cars and the
That was,
Can I get everybody in the
that was a slash 30-minute Enduro. Enjoy the video, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. We'll have some videos coming from my mains day at this 400 RC Raceway coming up next.
Good job, guys.
My bad.
And we
I failed.
are good. Thank you.